On this edition of Fix It Friday, we're going to replace a wax ring on the toilet because apparently it's leaking. I'm Fix It Steve, and here comes my assistant. Sure, here comes my assistant. He's not coming. Okay. Turn the water back on first. So now we're going to see the problem.
No, not to mention that shutoff valve.
Leaks?
Use a little.
Oh. Another problem. Another thing to fix.
Don't say that. It'll be fine now that it's open.
It's fine. Everything will be fine.
They like to do that when you move them. Oh, no, that thing's actually leaking.
No, well, when we're at it, we might as well replace it.
Right, by shutting the water off to the whole house?
Sure, it's easy.
Shutoff valves are not easy, Father.
Yours is. This house was owned by a plumber. I promise you, the shutoff valve to this house is easy.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Okay. When you buy the house from a previous plumber, normally your shutoff valve, like mine's in the crawl space way in the back, but for here, that's it. That's all you have to do in this house. The water's off. I love George. Okay, show us the problem.
This is the second problem.
Sounded fine. Okay, so the problem is that your feed line leaks. Oh, it does move.
It's a little loose, but you can see a little bit of water. It was outlined earlier.
Oh, yeah. But you cleaned it up, so eventually, well, it's right here.
Well, you could just tighten the bolts and call it a day.
I mean,
but the shutoff valve sure leaks.
Yeah, it does.
So annoying.
Maybe that's where your leak. Maybe it's coming down there, and it's not this leaking at all. Is that possible?
No.
Where is your shutoff valve leaking from? Can you tell?
If you get really close to it.
Oh! Wash all the water.
Let me flush it again and see. So you should exercise the valves in your house every 6 months.
Might be able to just tighten it down depending on where it's leaking from.
That's
but
what
I
I'm
can't.
hoping.
I can't. Really, it looks like it's leaking from the bottom though.
Yeah, I don't know. Can you hand me my channel locks, please? And a rag from my handy dandy pile of rags today.
These are nice rags.
Yes, I use them a lot. They're good with water. Okay. Looks like it's bubbling out the top.
At the stem?
Yeah.
That's not good.
It's not moving at all. Give me a screwdriver. That might do
Well,
it.
the stem, it might be the packing around the stem.
We could buy one and then just replace it.
Yeah, I would just say we buy a new shutoff. So, Alex does maintenance for a living, and I've never replaced a wax seal on a toilet, so he was going to teach me something for once. Not for once, he teaches me a lot of things. So, I thought I'd do an episode over it. All right, we're gonna pause. Maybe we go to the store. All right. It seems better.
Yeah.
All right, so instead of replacing the wax seal, we just tighten the toilet down. But we still need to fix that. Okay, so we ended up not changing the wax seal on the toilet. We did change this shutoff valve. It's an old style, and these washers get really old and deteriorate. When they do, they leave this nasty black stuff. So that's what was leaking there. We could have replaced just the washer, but Alex, rightly so, decided he wanted a quarter turn ball valve. But this was the old hose, which fed to this probably 3/8. But the new one was a 1/4 inch. So this is the new tissues paper to check for leaks. This is the new one. So this is off. This is on because it goes in line with the output. So we had to buy a new hose here, which has a smaller 1/2 inch connector there. So that's it. I think we're gonna flush it. Hopefully we see no water there, which was our original problem, we thought. Tilk approved. Is it the Tilk approved fixture? Yes? Yes, good dog. So that's it for this edition of Fix It Friday. Simple fix with our helper. Actually, it's his house. I was supposed to be helping him. Anyway, remember, if you're in a dark place, call somebody with a flashlight.